Welcome students, lecture number 24 of AP exercise 5.2. So students, here without taking any time we come to direct question number 15. So students, here question is, for what value of n are the nth term of two APs and equal. Here students, clearly we have two APs and it is asked that what value of n are the nth term of two APs will be equal. So first of all we will find nth term for both the APs, then we equate. Okay, so we have first AP like 63, 65, 67, etc. So here A is equal to 63 and B is equal to 65 minus 63, that is 2. So first term and common difference. Okay students, you know very well. Now thus nth term an for first AP is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We can write this an1. an1 means this belongs to first AP. Now here A is 63 plus n minus 1 and D is 2. So this is an1. Okay students? Write question first. Similarly students, for second AP is 3, 10, 17, etc. So in this AP we have A is equal to 3 and D is equal to 10 minus 3, that is 7. First term is 3 and common difference is 7. Now to find another term of this AP, so we can find here, thus an2 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So students, you should not worry about that. We take 1 here, that is to show that an1, this is the nth term of first AP, and here we write an2 means nth term of second AP. Okay, now A is 3 plus n minus 1 and D is here 7. This is an2 second. So student, now for what value of n the nth term of APs are equal. So now students, we will take equation first and second and we will equate both the equations. Okay, so write this solution students, and so okay students, here according to equation an1 is equal to an2. So here we have the value of an 63 plus n minus 1 into 2 is equal to, and an2 is here 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. Okay students, now we have to find the value of n from this relation. So now students, we can write 63 plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 3 plus 7n minus 7. Okay students, now we can transpose left to right. So 63, for instance, 63 minus 2, that is 61. 3 comes here, minus 3, and 7 also plus 7 is equal to right hand side 7n and 2n goes to right hand side, it becomes minus 2n. Now students, 61 minus 3, 58 plus 7 is equal to 7 n minus 2n, 5n. 57 plus 7, I think 65 is equal to 5n, or n is equal to 65 upon 5, 13. So student, answer is 13. Question was, for what value of n? It means for 13, the value of n, the nth term of both the AP will be equal. Okay, students? Then write solution of this. So here we have a 17th question. Question is, find the 20th term from the last term of AP. So here students we have an AP 3, 8, 13, 253. Sorry, dash 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 253. So it is clear students here that this is last term. Okay, sometimes we take as an, and here 3 is a first term and d is here 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5. So students, we have clearly first term, common difference and last term. Question arises that how will you find 20th term from the last? Last means generally we count number of terms from here, from left hand side, like first term, second term, third term. But in this question it is asked that find 20th term from the last, means इसे आपको कंसिडर करना पड़ेगा एज ए फर्स्ट टर्म, फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ. देन इन रिवर्स ऑर्डर, if a question is given to find any particular term from the last term of AP, then we use formula any term from the last term of AP is equal to L minus N minus 1 into D. So student, remember, if you want to find any term from the last term of AP, then you should use this formula. Okay students? So but we want to find 20th term, so we can write T20 or A20. Okay students? Now L is here, last term 253. Okay, plus N, we want to find 20th term, 20 minus 1, and you know D is here 5. So 253 plus 20 minus 1, 19, multiplied by 5. I think 253 plus 95. Sorry, there is a mistake. Sign is here minus, not plus. This is a new formula in which we use always minus here. Minus, minus, minus. Okay, then when we subtract 8, 15, so term will be 158. This is your answer. So students, remember the formula. If you want to find last term from the, if you want to find any term from the last term of AP, then you should use this formula. L minus N minus 1 into D, where L is the last term. Sometimes we say this term as AN. Okay students, then write the solution. So students, here we are in question number 18. The sum of 4th and 8th term of an AP is 24. 4th and 8th term of AP is 24, and the sum of 6th and 10th term is 44. Find the first 3 terms of AP. So student, first of all we find AP, then first 3 terms of AP. So here in the solution we have given 4th term plus 8th term is equal to, the sum of 4th and 8th term is equal to 24. So students, we can write here 4th term means A plus 3D and 8th term means A plus 7D, which is equal to 24. So now students, we can write this 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. A plus A 2A, 3D plus 7D, 10D 24. And you can divide to both the sides. So we get A plus 5D is equal to 12. Equation number first. Remember students, here we have divided both the sides by 2. Okay, now it is given 6th term and 10th term. 6th term plus 10th term is equal to 44. Okay, students. So we can write a plus 5d plus a plus 9d is equal to 44. A plus 5d, a plus 9d. You can write 2a plus 14d is equal to 44. 9 plus 5, 14d, or you can simplify a plus 7d is equal to 22, equation number 2, because we have divided this equation by 2. Okay, this is 14, students. Now from first and second equation, first is here a plus 5d is equal to 12 and second is a plus 7d is equal to 22. Now subtract, minus, cancel out. Minus 2d is equal to 12 minus 22 minus 10. Okay, students. So therefore d is equal to 5. We have find that common difference is 5. So now, students, from any one equation we will find a. Write down this solution. So okay, students, here we have d is equal to 5. Now from equation first is here a plus 5d is equal to 12. Putting d is 5 is equal to 12, or a plus 25 is equal to 12, या a is equal to 12 minus 25, या a is equal to minus 13. So we have first term minus 13 and common difference d 5. Okay, now we need to find first 3 terms of AP. So write down, students. Here d is 5. Thus first 3 terms of the AP. You can write a plus d, a plus 2d. These are first 3 terms. Now putting the values of a and d, a is here minus 13, comma minus 13 plus 5, comma minus 13 plus 2 into 5. Okay, students. So this becomes minus 13, comma minus 13 plus 8, minus 8, comma here 10, minus 13 plus 10, minus 3. So these are the first 3 terms of AP. And students, this is your answer. Now you can write the solution. So here, students, it was the solution of question number 18. Now in this exercise, students, only 2 more questions are there, question number 19 and 20, and these are very simple questions. I hope you will solve. Still you have any problem yet, then you can ask. Okay, students, and if in any question exceeds words are given, EXCEED, it means more, or you need to plus, remember. Okay, now we are at the end of this exercise and I would like to conclude here. ये हमारा exercise खत्म हुआ. अब in next video we will study some of n terms with new formula and with new enthusiasm. I hope you will be ready to face exercise 5.3 in lecture number 25. Okay, students, and remember, with this video you will get some extra questions to solve. I hope you all will solve. Okay, students, so keep solving and be ready. Take care of yourself
and subscribe this channel. Okay students, thanks.